Let's get our hands dirty with the most fundamental tool in a trader's arsenal: support and resistance. Think of support and resistance as the very heartbeat of the market. They are the invisible lines on your chart that shows you where buyers and sellers have historically reacted. In technical terms, they represent key supply and demand zones. So what are they? Support is your floor. It's a price level where historically a downtrend has paused or reversed because of the large numbers of buyers in the market. The price found support and bounced. This area is also known as a demand zone, where buyers are waiting to get in. Resistance is your ceiling. It's a price level where an uptrend has stopped or reversed because of large numbers of sellers that entered the market. We call this a supply zone. The power of these levels lies in the psychology of price action. You don't need a complex indicator to find them. The market leaves clues for you. Just look for areas where price has either bounced multiple times or where it formed a significant high and low. Once you've identified these levels, there are two key things to look for. One, a rejection. That's when price hits your support or resistance and bounces. This is your opportunity to trade in the opposite direction. Two, a breakout. That's when price pushes through the level with a strong momentum, signaling a major shift in sentiment. This is your chance to trade in the new direction. Here's one of the most powerful concepts: the support and the resistance flip. A broken support level often becomes a new resistance level, and a broken resistance level often becomes a new support level. Mastering support and resistance isn't about being fancy. It's not about being complicated. It's a skill. It's about reading raw price action without the noise. This is the most foundational lesson in technical analysis, and it's one that will serve you best. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the most effective trading tools aren't the most complicated. They are the ones you truly understand. Until next time, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and keep trading.